It is 6 in the morning, and we are pulling in to Crete. We spent the night on a boat. It wasn't as bad as it sounds. And we are almost there. It is 6 a.m., which is admittedly much more civilized than 5 a.m. How do you guys feel arriving in Crete?
We're on Crete!
Well, I'm excited that it's not 5 a.m. There's a big transition time. Like, waking up at 7 and waking up at 8 is pretty similar, but waking up at 5 and 6, that's really different. So 6 was
Teddy?
nice.
We're on Crete.
Yeah, he's got a one-track mind.
Ancient civilization. Yes, we
At least it looks beautiful. We'll catch up with you later.
Good morning. E-Man is looking short this morning. It's what, probably like 6:30, and we just arrived here in Crete. It's a little too early.
Getting off the boat.
Getting off the boat and Cam,
Getting off the boat. And E-Man is a little bitter this morning.
Well, yeah, of course. You just called me short on video.
We are the happiest, most patient leaders ever.
We sure are. We're doing our best.